Comrades, complying with the All India CIT call to protest against the anti-labor policies of this government pursued even at this time of crisis, I, as a CITU member, strongly registered my protest here. Even before the outbreak of this COVID-19 pandemic, this government was continuously trying to weaken the trade union movement in India. For example, the secret ballot election, which was due in 2019 May in Indian Railways, the largest employer, was inordinately delayed for reasons better known to them. After coming to power, this government wanted to hand over our factories, our production units, our ordnance factories to corporates. Now the same government wants our factories and production units and ordnance factories to produce masks, ventilators and other personal protective gear to health workers because of this pandemic. This government was, ever since it came to power, was trying to tamper with our labor laws. I want to remind them that our labor laws are like Quran and Bible and Bhagavad Gita to Indian workers. Do not tamper with our labor laws. Do not try to make us work for 12 hours a day. We will not work because we are not bonded laborers. Then even today, doctors from Tamil Nadu Government Doctors Association has demanded good quality and good number of personal protective gear. Provide them with good quality and good number of personal protective gear. If we help them, if we take care of them at this time, they will take care of us when we need them the most. Then 80% of our Indian workforce is in unorganized sector. Provide them with wages, food and shelter. Arrange transport facilities to migrant workers so that they can join their families at the earliest. This government is trying to shift the burden of this economic crisis due to this COVID-19 pandemic from the corporates to the shoulders of the poor workers. CITU, as a responsible trade union, will not be a mute spectator if the government tries to do that. CITU Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad, Workers Unity Zindabad, CITU Zindabad. Thank you.